Batman Countermeasures. Subject, Red Tornado. Red Tornado is an android and vulnerable to being reprogrammed, as it has happened many times before. Should he attack while he's not in control, there is a fail-safe device on Red Tornado's heel. When struck there with enough force, he will shut down. From there, I should be able to reprogram him. If I'm not able to reprogram him myself, I have a cell prepared on the JLA watchtower. It's a complete vacuum. Without access to air, his powers will not function. He can only control air in his vicinity, not create it from nothing. Subject, Ragman, a hero who wears the mystical suit of souls. Ragman's suit gives him access to a myriad of exceptional abilities. Each one of the patches on the suit is made from the soul of an evildoer that the Ragman had punished and absorbed. But they're also just rags, highly susceptible to fire.